Today I'm going to show you how you can find a $5,000 a day winning product in only 6 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Finding a product that can make you thousands of dollars a day in only 6 minutes. It might sound crazy, but all the top dropshippers are using this method. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make it happen. I'll start by showing you the best free methods to find winning products fast. Then I'll reveal a method that's been a game changer for my dropshipping success. And it's something that some of the biggest dropshippers are using. So make sure to watch this video entirely to the end, as each part builds on the last, and I'll be sharing tips throughout that you don't want to miss. If you're ready to find your next six-figure product, let's dive in. So let's kick things off with TikTok. TikTok has become one of the best platforms out there for finding winning products. And the best part, you don't need to spend any money to use TikTok as a product discovery tool. Here's how you do it. You create a separate TikTok account just for researching products. This way you can train the TikTok algorithm to show you only product-related content without any distractions. Spend a few days engaging with videos of unique products, gadgets, or anything that looks like it's gaining attention. Like, comment, and watch these videos all the way through. Pretty soon, TikTok's algorithm will start filling your feed with product-based content. And once you're in this loop, you'll have a steady stream of potential winning products right on your feed. But here's the trick. Don't rely on views to decide if the product is worth testing. You need to look at the comments of these videos too. If you see comments like, "Where can I buy this?" or "I need this," that is a massive green light. It shows real interest and it means that there is a demand for this product. And the best part about TikTok is that you can spot seasonal trends too. For example, you might start seeing portable heaters and winter accessories around October. Then in the summer, you'll start seeing things like cooling fans, beach items, or outdoor gadgets. And by keeping an eye on seasonal trends, you can find products to sell at the right time. And the earlier you spot these trends, the better chance you have to capture sales before the market gets crowded. So start scrolling and let TikTok's algorithm work in your favor. Now the next free method is using Google Trends. Google Trends is one of the best tools for checking if there's a steady demand for your product idea. Simply go to Google Trends and type in the main keyword for your product. For example, if you're interested in a portable blender, type that in and look at the graph it shows. If the trend line is stable or moving upward, that's a good sign that you've got a winner on your hands. But if you see a sudden spike and then a sharp drop off, it might just be that the trend won't last long. Google Trends helps you to see if your product has real staying power, so you can focus on items that will bring consistent sales. Also guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Right, so now that we've covered the free methods, let's talk about a tool that's been a game changer in finding me high potential winning products fast. Imagine if you could see the behind the scenes of the top dropshipping stores. What if you could see exactly what they're selling, how much they're making, and which products are their top sellers? Now the tool that I'm about to speak about makes this possible and more, as it has a feature that allows you to filter products down to the best of the best. The tool that I'm talking about is ShopHunter, and it's been a total game changer for my dropshipping success. But that's not all. With the ShopHunter Pro plan, you also get free access to another tool called Kittl. Now let me walk you through how I use both these tools together to find winning products that bring in some serious profits. Now ShopHunter is an incredible tool that allows you to track other Shopify stores and see their actual sales number. With ShopHunter, you can look at any Shopify store and find out how much money they're making. It's like getting a VIP pass to see what's working in the dropshipping world. So there's no more guessing which products to sell. You're looking at pure data from stores that are already successful. And if you want to sign up, you can use my code ALIM25 for a 25% discount. And ShopHunter even offers you a free 14-day trial so you can test it out without fully committing. And here's where things get even better. As I mentioned with the ShopHunter Pro plan, you get free access to Kittl. Now Kittl is a platform that is packed with advanced filters that make finding the perfect product so much easier. Now just before I show you how ShopHunter works, let me first explain how Kittl works, as these tools go hand in hand. And this is exactly how I find my winning products that bring me well over $5,000 a day. So I go onto Kittl, I set the store creation filter to last 3 months. This focuses on newer stores, which often means you're spotting trends before they become too popular. I set the product count to 1 to 3. Stores with fewer products tend to be more niche focused and usually have higher quality listings. Use the active ads filter and set it to 12 or more. If a store has this many ads, it's likely making good money on those products. Now if you're targeting TikTok, use the technology filter and select TikTok Pixel. This filter is perfect for finding products that are optimized for TikTok ads, which is ideal if you want to capitalize on the platform's viral trends. Now once you found a promising store using the filters, copy the store's URL and paste it onto ShopHunter. And with ShopHunter, you'll get all the data that you'll need. Here you will see how much money they're making a day and detailed information about what's working for that store. I found my best products by tracking high performing stores on ShopHunter. It's like having a blueprint for success from top dropshipping stores, ready for you to replicate. And if you want to validate demand, the Explore tab on ShopHunter lets you search for specific products and find find other stores selling them. You can then see this product on their store or AliExpress. Using ShopHunter and Kittl together makes product research extremely easy, especially if you're just starting out. Now these are the prices for the ShopHunter Pro plan if you take out a monthly plan. However, I would recommend taking out an annual plan, which is what I'm on, and you can also get 2 months free. So again, make sure to sign up to ShopHunter, choose a plan and enter the code ALIM25 for 25% off. Right, so now that you found a winning product, this doesn't always mean you'll get sales. You need to position your store in a certain way to get the most out of the product. Now when it comes to creating your product page, keep it simple and clean. You want a design that's easy to navigate and focused on your product. Have high quality images, a strong headline, and a standout call to action bar. For inspiration, take a look at some of the high performing stores on ShopHunter. See how they present their products, how they lay out their descriptions, and the tone they use. And finally, once your store is ready, the next step is to drive traffic to your store. So if you're using the paid ads route, start with a small budget and test ads to see what's working for your store. You can then create the ads yourself, or you can use viral ecom ads to create high quality dropshipping video ads for you. Test different audiences and formats to see what brings you the best conversion. And once you find what works, scale up your ads and watch your sales grow. Now, if you seriously want to learn dropshipping, make sure you join my Discord group called the Ultimate World Circle. It's a group designed for like-minded people who are looking to make money online and network with other high-level individuals. There are also courses on there which are being updated every so often, and it's completely free to join for a limited time only. And once you join, it will stay free for you forever. After a certain amount of people have joined, it will then become a paid platform. So make sure to join now by clicking the link in the description. And if you're looking for a low-budget TikTok ad strategy, well, make sure you click the video that you see on your screen, and I'll see you guys there.